In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Trello with Notion. By the end, your Notion workspace will be connected to Trello so links and content from your boards can appear cleanly and stay useful inside Notion. Start by heading to notion.com in your browser. On the home page, click Login. If you already use Notion, this takes you straight into your workspace sign-in flow. On the login screen, choose the Google option to sign in. If you prefer another method, that works too, but here we'll continue with Google. When Google's account chooser appears, select the account you use for Notion. If you manage multiple workspaces in Notion, keep in mind you'll be connecting Trello to whichever workspace you're currently opening. Once you're in Notion, open Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Connections section. This is where Notion manages integrations with other tools. Click See All to view the full gallery of available partners. Find Trello in the list and click it, then choose Connect. Notion will open an authorization window from Trello asking for permission. Click Allow to grant access. This permission lets Notion read Trello data you choose to share, so it can display and enrich Trello content inside your pages. You can revoke this later from either Notion's connections or Trello's account settings. If you have more than one Trello account, make sure you're authorizing the correct one with access to the boards you plan to reference. While the connection finishes, here's what this integration means in practice. After Trello is connected, pasting Trello links into Notion can generate rich, helpful previews so your team sees card titles, statuses, and other context at a glance. It keeps information centralized without forcing people to jump between apps for basic details. Depending on your setup, Notion may keep those previews updated so they reflect changes made in Trello. This connection is designed for visibility and context. If you need full-scale imports or deep bidirectional sync, that's a separate workflow. But for day-to-day collaboration, link previews, embeds, and quick references are fast and reliable. Also, if your organization uses admin controls, you might need approval to enable new connections. Check with your workspace admin if you encounter a permission prompt. When the authorization completes, you'll see Trello listed under your connected apps in Notion. That confirms Trello is successfully integrated. From here, you can manage or disconnect the integration anytime in the same settings area. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and ensure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups during the authorization. That's it! Your Trello and Notion are now working together.